Welcome to the Lego farm.
See you later. The crops need water. What now? 2. Set up a water pump. Now, let's build the water pump.
How to build the water pump. Step 1. Build the pump impeller. Add the pipe. Step 2. Build the gear pump. Add the gears. Add the energies. Add the battery box. Step 3. Build the water trough. Add drainage spouts. Place the water pump into the water tank. Place more water pump into the other one. Connect water ducts between the 2 water tanks. Insert the plastic pipe into the pump. Let's see how it works. Wow! Water begins to flow from the plastic pipes into water ducts. Water is flowing into the garden. The garden is bursting with a wide variety of vegetables and fruits.
The garden is brimming with ripe vegetables. How should we proceed? 3. Harvest everything and sell them immediately.
We need to add some conveyors.
I'm here to buy your best produce. What will you sell me today?
1. Sure, take all the ripe ones now.
Horizontal conveyor belts running.
The produce is ready to buy.
Farm's busy. Could use more hands.
It seems like your horses are out of water. What will you do?
1. Refill the trough with fresh water immediately.
Trough's bone dry. Need to refill it soon. Lead 3 water ducts from the tank to the trough. Water flows into the trough. Flowing water fills the trough. Horse eagerly drinks. Garden's getting a good soak, primed for the upcoming planting.
Huh? Daddy, are you okay?
It's so hot. All the trees are wilting.
So great!
Let's help your dad.
We need to build a pipe to bring water.
Huh?
Thank you, my son.
Oh.
Try your best. We will have a swimming pool. I think we need a water pump.
Huh?
Okay, I got an idea.
Swimming pool is full of water. Ready, set, go!
Huh?
Water all gone now.
Huh?
Thank you so much.
It's $20 for the laundry service.
Here you go.
Have a good day. What? Don't know what's in this.
Help me clean these socks up. I will pay more money.
Sign Santa. These socks are large. Oh no, I need to use the large washing machine. I need a help.
What do I need to with these socks?
We have a big order. Use the large washing machine to wash them. Let me handle. How to build a large washing machine. Step 1. Install the washing machine. Step 2. Test the washing machine. Let's go. Step 3. Install wastewater lines. Step 4. Operability of washing machine. Let's go.
They are so dirty.
Add water. Add washing powder.
Look, this sock is all clean.
Boss, I washed all the socks.
Santa Claus just passed by, right?
Really?
Hey, but what about the money?